question I asked earlier. What will it take for Africa to really rise up to the occasion at this tournament?
Africa needs to be organized. One of the major things that bothers us is that we don't go prepared. So there are bonus issues when you get there, or you know the history. Some people's jerseys are not ready till a week before. So many very infantile things, you know. So let's just get organized. Let's give the players the peace of mind to focus on the football, keep government delegations away from the teams as much as possible, and keep the technical people close to the team as much as possible. The most successful countries in the World Cup are those who pay attention to detail. You know, you would hardly find fluky World Cup wins in the history of the competition. So let's just get prepared, you know. And the GFA president mentioned after the draw that it's one of the things they are looking at. I mean, when I asked, you know, he challenged me and said, before and during the AFCON or after the AFCON, have I heard anything about bonuses? You know, of all the things that happened, did I hear anything about bonuses? And I had to consider. No, he said, as for the bonuses, you know, that was agreed long ago. Even for the World Cup, everything has been agreed long ago, whether we qualified or not. So that will not be a problem. The second that James spoke about would be the traveling arrangements. Yeah, I mean, Qatar is about 7.5 hours away, wherever they are going to camp, you know, and all those things, getting the players in. Those have never been a problem for Ghana. Those have never been a problem for Ghana in AFCON's past, even dating as far back as 2008.